Gotta tell you, it's nice having the interior back together in this car because I can actually drive it again. And I haven't been able to drive it in like 2 months, so it just feels fantastic now. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today is one of those days that I'm excited, but I'm also extremely nervous about because we have to get the Civic inspected. In Pennsylvania, we have relatively strict inspection laws, and I'm not sure the Civic's gonna pass because this car is 22 years old, it's 99% stock, it's got some issues, and I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to pass it today or not. And I'm hoping that they give me some leeway because it's so old, and I'm gonna tell them it's like my project, so hopefully everything goes smooth. Man, I look really sweaty because I've been working on the car already because I'm putting the interior back together. For some reason, my window is broken now. It just fell off the tracks, I think. That's gonna be another video. It's gonna be fun to do. But hopefully we pass. I just gotta take out all my tools in this car so the mechanic doesn't steal anything because that'd be unfortunate. But hopefully the Civic becomes 100% legal today. Now I know what you might be saying. Stop overreacting, the car's gonna pass, everything's gonna be fine. No, because this car is old, it desperately needs an alignment. I don't know if you can pass inspection if you don't have a good alignment, and it's also completely catless. And if any of you guys know Pennsylvania laws, you need cats. I'm not throwing any lights, the lights are still in the dashboard, the lights in the dashboard work. My tachometer doesn't work though, so there's a lot of things that are going against me for this car right now to pass, and I don't even know, maybe I can get a full exemption on this car because it is so old. I just don't know the laws on it because there's a lot of laws and a lot of reading and I don't like to read. So we're gonna send it and hopefully we get lucky. I mean, everything else on this car seems to be like sound and good. The brakes seem to be fine, even though they are drums. But when the guy gave me the car, he gave me an extra set of drum brakes. He said he was gonna do them, he never had time to. They feel fine, in my opinion, of driving the car, but at the same time, I'm not too sure if they are actually fine or not, because I don't know drum brakes, I've never used them before. I don't even know how to like check them, if that makes sense. But we're gonna send it. I'll let you guys know after the inspection how it goes. I'm very hopeful that we're gonna be fine, but at the same time, we might not be. So I'll let you guys know. Unfortunately, the place isn't open for inspections right now, and I have to wait until Thursday, which is kind of a setback, but it's kind of fine because maybe I'll be able to fix my window in that time frame. But pretty much the reason I'm afraid for inspection with this car is because, one, it's catless, and in Pennsylvania you need cats or else you're not passing anything. This car isn't throwing codes for it, so I think it's fine, but it's still at the same time it is catless and it's concerning. Two, the guy included brakes with the car, so I'm not sure if these brakes are in good condition or not. They are drum brakes, so I don't even know how to check the wear on them because I've never done drum brakes before. I've only done disc brakes. I was gonna try to say, if he says, well, you can't pass with your brakes, I was gonna say, well, I have spares. But two, I'm planning on converting it soon, so maybe you give me some leeway. Three, I don't know if you need a good alignment to pass inspection because this alignment is really bad, and to drive straight, the steering wheel is kind of like this. And also there could be other underlying issues that I'm just not aware of. The suspension just got overhauled in this car before I bought it, so I think suspension components are fine. The exhaust is my biggest concern. So, I mean, we'll find out on Thursday how it goes, so I guess I'll see you guys then, but I just hope that it passes once we get there. Well, today is officially inspection day. I gotta get going because I gotta get going to work. But in the most recent events that has happened to this car, and this completely happened like as soon as I finished my my shifter install, I made a point that I said that my window came off the tracks. And yesterday I kind of dove more into it. It didn't come off the tracks, the entire regulator snapped, and all the wires are broken. So that's something else we have against us going into this inspection now. And I'm not sure if we're gonna pass or get remotely close to passing now, but we're just gonna put it in there, send it, and see what happens. Another fun fact about the Civic is the odometer doesn't work, and that is also required for PA inspections. I mean, like the top part works, but the bottom part doesn't work. So again, we're just gonna see what happens. I was just driving, normal driving, and all of a sudden the Civic just kind of shut off on me. I think this car is gonna have more problems than I ever originally thought, and I think all these problems are gonna start showing this week. So I just picked the car up, and you can see we're driving, but we failed. We failed our inspection today, boys. I passed my emissions, so I have one sticker on here. Don't know how we passed emissions, but hey, we did, so I'm not gonna complain about that one. But we failed because of our trailing arm bushing. I don't know which side it is completely clapped and shot. So that's gonna make for more content because we're gonna have to replace that here eventually. I'm a little bummed out that we did fail our inspection, but I mean, it is what it is, I guess. So we have 30 days to replace that, put it back in. We still don't have a window here, so we have to replace that, put that in. We got a lot of work to do before we bring it back to the inspection place. Hopefully, everything works out the next time. But I can kind of drive half legally now, so we're like halfway there to driving this thing legally, which is pretty dope. But next thing we gotta do is that trailing arm bushing. They wanted to charge you $700 to redo it. We're not gonna spend that much money on it because we're gonna do it an easy way. I keep on getting into the habit of like recording a video and then stopping recording a video and re-recording a video and like waiting days to do it. So I always forget what I was talking about lastly. But I'm gonna do a little recap because I don't really remember where I was. I don't feel like recording footage right now. So we went to get the Civic inspected. We failed because of one bushing, and it's the trailing arm bushing, which apparently is notorious for failing on these cars, but I never knew that. So that was one thing that when I was checking over the car, when I thought I'd be okay, I never looked into replacing or seeing if it was okay. So right now, where we stand, we are waiting on parts for the Civic. I have 3 things coming, 1 mod, 1 thing to fix something, well, to fix the trailing arm bushing, and the last thing is a new window regulator and motor because that one completely got destroyed on me, and I don't really know how or why that broke, but every cable in there snapped, all the plastic snapped, so we're waiting on that too. So right now, the Civic is halfway bricked in the driveway once again, which is super unfortunate for me because I was really hoping it would pass, everything was gonna go smoothly. But literally as soon as we got the short shifter in, everything just started breaking on me for some reason. The one thing that was a huge bummer too was when I was taking it to my inspection, and I did bring this up I think twice, but the car completely just died on me. I stopped at a stop sign and the car just shut off. Don't know why, but I have a slight idea. So my RPMs, they don't read no more. So that RPM gauge sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And then the car kind of just broke on me and just shut off. So my guess is that it's my distributor. So I'm gonna do a little bit more research before I just go buy distributors for the car and putting them in. But I'm pretty sure it's the distributor that needs to be replaced. And I think once I replace the distributor, once I get that bushing, and once I get that regulator in, I think the Civic is going to be on full mod mode. Hopefully we can just work on the car and enjoy the car for what it is. Because right now, I'm not really enjoying the car because it keeps like breaking on me and I keep having problems with it. I mean, that I did want a project car. It's something I should have expected. It's just kind of something that I didn't expect as much, I didn't anticipate, but hopefully soon enough we can start actually modding the car to what we want it to be and we can have a lot of fun with it. So with that being said, I have a trash bag over the Civic's window because I don't have a window that goes up and down, it's just kind of stuck right here. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. I hope this video was okay because, you know, it's my Civic failing inspection. You guys are probably thinking, oh, it's gonna pass. Gotcha though. So if you guys could please do me a couple things, comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, keep doing you, stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out. Peace.